Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making the video to show the manufacturing process of the 54 big capacity flake ice machines. 50 of them are containerized design. We can see many containers inside my factory. Containers and in this side there are altogether 24 containers now in my factory, and inside each container there is one machine. Okay, here we can check the inside. This is the flake ice evaporator, and this is the compressing unit. The evaporative condenser, we already see them before we put them into this container. Inside this container, you can also see the compressing condensing unit and then this evaporator. Let's keep walking. More machines over here. We already see the condensers, the evaporative condenser. I remember we saw 16 evaporators last time when we make the video. Evaporator, compressing condensing unit, they are all containerized design. The same for this. The evaporative condenser is efficient in summer, and they are also working well in winter. Okay, let's check them one by one. Now this one, inside this 40-feet container, there will be two machines. Here we can see the evaporator, compressing condensing unit, and in the other side, there's another unit. Okay, so let's keep walking. The same thing for this container. This evaporative condenser was put over there, 16 pieces, last time when we make the video. And here you can still see many more compressing condensing units where we'll put them inside more containers. So basically in this video you can see 30 machines. These are the evaporator we're going to use. Okay, so I will make another video to show another 20 machines next time. They are altogether 54 machines for this order. Actually, some other customer already add more machines in the orders. So before the end of this year, We are going to make about 80 machines, big capacity. This is the video to prove we are the biggest and the most competitive manufacturer for flake ice machine in China. Everywhere containerized flake ice machine.